Hello and welcome to all my lovely students are here. So today we gonna study a very interesting topic of your English grammar, that is adverb. So first of all, what is adverbs? Adverb is a word that modifies or you may say describes a verb. जो आपके वर्ब को डिस्क्राइब करता है, वर्ब के साथ ऐड हो जाते हैं जो वर्ड्स, that is called the adverb, which means that it tells you how, when, where, or why something is being done. Okay, now there are mainly 7 types of adverbs. The first one is adverb of manners. Adverb of manners shows how or what way something happens or is done. तो वर्क आपका जो हो रहा है, व्हाट इज वर्ब? वर्ब क्या होता है? जो एक्शन है सब्जेक्ट का, दैट इज द वर्ब. नाउ एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर मीन्स इन विच मैनर योर वर्क इज डन, दैट इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्लोली, badly, beautifully, delightfully, loudly. For example, the soldiers fought bravely. Here, bravely refers to adverb of manner. So, how they fought? In which manner they fought? Bravely. She dresses beautifully. Now, the second is adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us about where something happens or where something is. For example, here, everywhere, near, down, away. There was somebody stand nearby. Here, nearby refers to adverb of place. Third is adverb of time. Adverb of time refers that when an action takes place, यानी वो action किस time पर हुआ है, that is the adverb of time. For example, tomorrow, now, recently, that is the adverb of time. Students are recently excited. Here, recently refers to adverb of time. I have a meeting tomorrow. Here, tomorrow refers to adverb of time. The fourth is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tells us how often an action happens. यानी कि वो action कितनी बार हुआ है. That is adverb of frequency. Rarely, ever, occasionally, twice a week, annually. They often go out for a dinner. मतलब वो कभी कभी डिनर पर जाते हैं. Here often refers to adverb of frequency. I have told you twice. Here twice refers to adverb of frequency. Fifth is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree tells us the extent of an action. यानी कि किस डिग्री में आपका एक्शन हो रहा है, किस डिग्री तक हुआ. रियली, ऑलमोस्ट, क्वाइट, वेरी, फुल्ली, टू. आई एम फुल्ली प्रिपेयर्ड. हियर फुल्ली रिफर्स टू adverb of degree. I am rather busy. Rather refers to adverb of degree. Six is relative adverbs. Relative adverbs joins two sentences or clauses. For example, this is the hotel where we stay. Here, where refers to relative adverbs. The seventh is sentence adverb. Obviously, usually, normal. So, sentence adverb आपके क्या होते हैं? That modify the entire sentence and expresses the author's opinion. Surely you are mistaken. Okay, here surely refers to sentence adverb. Second one is unfortunately it began to rain. just as the match started. Here unfortunately refers to sentence adverbs. Now let us read the position of adverb, यानी किस किस पोजीशन में हम adverbs को रखते हैं. First of all beginning, then middle, then and में रखते हैं हम. So जब हम beginning में रखते हैं तो हम वहाँ पे क्या लेते हैं? जब हम बिगनिंग की बात करते हैं तो हम वहाँ पे कनेक्टिंग एडवर्ब्स को रखते हैं और टाइम एडवर्ब्स को रखते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइफ इज़ हार्ड, हाउ एवर लाइफ कैन बी फन. यहाँ पे देखिए जो हाउ एवर वर्ड है ये क्या है, बिगनिंग में यूज़ हो रहा है और ये लाइफ इज़ हार्ड फ्रेज को कनेक्ट कर रहा है लाइफ कैन बी फन से. तो ये क्या है, बिगनिंग में यूज़ हो रहा है क्योंकि ये कनेक्ट कर रहा है एक फ्रेज को एक सेंटेंस से. और सेकंड हम कह सकते हैं कि टाइम एडवर्ब भी होता है. टाइम एडवर्ब आपका बिगनिंग में भी यूज़ हो सकता है, मिडिल में भी यूज़ हो सकता है, एंड में भी यूज़ हो सकता है. यहाँ हम बिगनिंग में देखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टुमारो आई विल विजिट माई मॉम. हियर टुमारो refers to the time adverb and it is in the beginning. The second one is middle position और focusing adverb. हम इसे focusing adverb भी कहते हैं. adverb of frequency जो होता है वो आपका middle में यूज़ होता है. like adverb of frequency and adverb of degree, ये दोनों आपके middle में यूज़ होते हैं. for example, she never forgets to call her sister. here never is in a middle and the second is I am fully prepared. Fully is an adverb of degree and it used in a middle. Now the and position. And position में आपके adverb of manner, adverb of place and adverb of time use होते हैं. Adverb of manners means how, adverb of place means where and adverb of time means when. Means how, where and when is your work done. John does his homework carefully. adverb of manner, देखिए ये and में यूज़ हुआ. There was somebody stand nearby. Nearby is adverb of place and में यूज़ हुआ. I have a meeting tomorrow. Tomorrow is adverb of time and ये भी आपका and में यूज़ हुआ. So in this way you can see there are 7 types of adverbs and how we can use the adverb in the beginning, in the middle and in the and position.